Live from Singapore, essential business news as it breaks and a look at the economic news that will shape the day. This is BBC World News and Asia Business Report.
More foreign money pours into mainland China, but less is flowing out. We find out why. And digging up controversy, the Philippines Environment Secretary defends her decision to shut down mines. Good morning, Asia. Hello, world. Glad you could join us for this midweek edition of Asia Business Report. I'm Rico Hizon. New figures reveal foreign investors are piling more money into China, but Chinese investments overseas is falling. More than $7 billion has been invested in the mainland so far this year, and that's nearly double the same period in 2015. Outbound deals have dropped to $8.5 billion. That's down 40%. David Tang is a managing partner for the law firm K&L Gates in Hong Kong. I asked him, how long can this continue?
The projection is that the currency outflow issues will last for the first half of 2017, and that there will be a pickup going forward after the outflow issues have been curtailed a bit. It certainly is in China's interest not to clamp down too tightly on all of the outbound investment. So the market players are speculating that later in the year there will be a pickup on outbound investment and a lot of the restrictions may be eased.
But Mr. Tang, on the flip side, we're seeing more deals into China. Which sectors and industries have been making a big push into the mainland?
To start with, I think there's both a short and a long-term response to your question. The longer-term response is because there's a burgeoning middle class and because the population is aging, the sectors are related to consumer staples, fast-moving consumer goods, retail, entertainment, leisure, recreational options for the new wealth that's been created in the middle class. From a demographic perspective, because of the aging population, there's a greater demand for health care, both on the health side, pharmaceuticals, health beverages, health foods, and then on the care side for seniors. Since there's fewer extended family to care for seniors, the fact that senior care facilities and housing would be a sought-after option as well.
And briefly, Mr. Tang, for foreign investors in the past, they have basically told me a lot of horror stories about investing in China. Are we now seeing a more level playing field there?
Two responses. One, the regulations that came out at the end of 2016 have opened up more of the economy. More sectors of the economy. The negative list is shorter, so there are more opportunities to invest, as well as streamlining the process for investing in China by foreign investors. The second issue is risk management. Foreign investors tend to be better at managing the risks of doing business in China over time. They compare China with other emerging market risks, and it's something that they can manage.
David Tang there in Hong Kong. The Indian government is pushing